Discussing week 8, day 5, types of solutions. There are 3 types of algebraic solutions. One is infinitely many solutions. Another is one unique solution. And then lastly, we have no solution. So when you are assessing a system of equations, it can be one of these possible 3. So when talking about types of solutions with system of equations, we are going to use a naming convention using initials S for same and D for different. So when we're looking at infinitely many solutions that have the same variables and the same constants, this is an example of a system of equations that will have infinitely many solutions, because here we see that our variables are the same of 2x, as well as our constants of a positive 1. Now, it looks different when we go to one solution, which has different variables and different constants. So with this example, y equals to x plus 3 and y equals to 2x minus 8. In this system, our variables are different. One has a value of 1x and the other has the value of 2x, as well as our constants, with one having the value of a positive 3 and the other of a negative 8. When we're looking at no solution or system of equations that would have no solution, we would notice that they would have the same variables as well as different constants. So with the example of y equals to 3x plus 4 and y equals to 3x minus 4, our variables here are the same of 3x, but our constants here are different. One is a positive 4 and another is a negative 4. So now when we're talking about types of solutions with graphing, we are going to look at examples of how a graph would look for each one of our solutions and what we should look for. So with infinitely many solutions, your graph would look like this. And the one thing that you should notice is that your 2 lines here, they overlap. The graph of a one solution, it would look like this. And the one thing that you should notice here is that these 2 lines at some point, they intersect at one unique point, and that point would be your solution. So for this example, the solution would be 2 and 8. For no solution, you should notice that your graph would look something like this. Whether the lines are going in a negative association or a positive association, either way, they are a set of parallel lines. And this is how you would go by identifying your types of solutions within system of equations, as well as